Good morning, students. Today we start next chemical property or trend in chemical properties, reactivity with oxygen or formation of oxides of group 16 elements. So all the elements form EO2 and EO3, dioxide or trioxide of this group 16 element. E is a sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium. We discuss only these three elements oxide because oxygen react with these elements to form oxide. So EO2 and EO3 means plus 4 oxidation state and plus 6 oxidation state oxides are formed by these group elements because oxygen have tendency to form p pi d pi bond, means double bond with the sulfur, selenium and as well as tellurium. So that's why they form dioxide and trioxide. Mostly all the elements sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, they form dioxide, but in case of trioxide, oxygen trioxide is O3, which is called ozone, and sulfur dioxide are gases at a room temperature. Clear? So polonium does not form trioxide, but other group members form trioxide also, while ozone, sulfur dioxide are gases, while selenium dioxide is solid at room temperature. So the reducing property of dioxide decreases from sulfur dioxide to tellurium dioxide due to inert pair effect or increase in size of central atom. Reducing property means sulfur dioxide easily changes into sulfur trioxide, means it changed from plus 4 to plus 6 oxidation state, means sulfur dioxide act as a strong reducing agent. But when we move from sulfur to tellurium, the size of central atom increases, that's why reducing property decreases and oxidizing character increases. So sulfur dioxide is a reducing while tellurium dioxide is oxidizing in nature. All the oxides are acidic in nature because all of first four elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and selenium, they all are non-metals. That's why their oxides are mostly acidic in nature. Their oxides are acidic in nature. And now we discuss the shape of all dioxide have V-shape geometry due to presence of lone pair, Clear? So all have angular or bent shape. In case when we discuss with the sulfur, 3s, 3p, 3d. So there are two electrons in case of 3s orbital, but the other electrons, one electron present in 3d orbital and remaining in p orbital. But oxygen have only form one sigma bond and other pi bond. So this form a pi bond and this also form pi bond. So according to hybridization, sp2 it have tendency to form a trigonal structure, but due to presence of lone pair it have a V-shaped structure. But bond angle decreases due to increase in bond length between central atom and oxygen atom. But when we discuss about the structure or geometry of trioxide of group 16 elements, it's a trigonal geometry because in case of sulfur 3s1, 3p 3 and s orbital electron also move from s to d orbital, promotion of. So there are 3 sigma bonds with each oxygen atom. So these are 3 sigma bonds. This form will pi bond, p pi bond, other oxygen form p pi d pi bond. So that's why its hybridization is same as sp2. So that's why on the basis of hybridization its shape is trigonal planar. And the dioxides like a sulfur dioxide, it act as a Lewis acid. Because it have tendency to gain a pair of electron due to presence of or availability of d orbital in case of dioxide as well as in case of trioxide. So that's why they act as a Lewis acids. With the boron difluoride also they act as a in case of sulfur dioxide dissolve, giving a sulfurous acid because it produce acid when they react with water. Clear? So similarly in case of trioxide, but in case of trioxide their dipole moment equal to 0 because in all cases 3 oxygen atom present and they cancel the effect of attraction of electron towards itself, so dipole moment ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਲਫਰ ਟ੍ਰਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ 0 ਹੋਊਗੀ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਸਾਈਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੇਮ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਟਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਫੀਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਟੁਵਰਡਸ oxygen electrons ਦੀ, so that's why they have a zero dipole moment. So all the trioxides are acidic in nature, so mainly discuss trilinium trioxide is a network structure, and beryllium hexaoxide is octahedral share all vertices. So these are the oxides or reactivity with oxygen to a group 16 element. They form dioxide as well as a trioxide. Clear? Next we discuss reactivity with halogen atoms. Reactivity, the halogen group 16 elements form EX2, EX4, EX6 halides. So in case of +2, +4, +6, so dihalide, tetrahalide and hexahalide. But in case of oxygen, it form only fluorides with oxygen, oxygen fluoride or oxygen monofluoride. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਈਏ ਬਾਕੀ ਕੇਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ Cl2O7, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ, ਨਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਕਲੋਰਾਈਡ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਹੈਵ ਮੋਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਦੈਨ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਐਟਮ. ਸੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਲੋਜਨਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਦੀ ਰਿਐਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਦੇ ਫਾਰਮ ਓਨਲੀ ਡਾਈਹਲਾਈਡਸ, but they are not called fluorides or chlorides or bromides, because oxygen have more electronegativity than chlorine and bromine. That's why we are called chlorine oxide or bromine oxide. Only we say that in case of oxygen fluoride, so oxygen fluoride ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ fluorine oxide ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ fluorine is the most electronegative element of the periodic table. So E is a oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. But the reactivity of halogens towards group 16 element, maximum reactivity fluoride ਦੀ ਹੈ, chloride, bromide ਤੇ iodide, due to increase in size and decrease in reactivity or electronegativity. Only hexafluorides are stable in nature, but other hexahalides are not stable due to increase in size of halogen and central atom. Hexa ਜਿਹੜੇ fluorides ਨੇ SF6 only stable, but HCl6 does not stable due to less difference between the size of chlorine and sulfur atom. That's why it is not stable in nature. So only hexafluorides are stable as compared to other hexahalides are not stable due to increase in size of halogen atom. That's why all the group 16 element does not accommodate 6 halogen atoms rather than fluorine around it, because due to large size of halogens they are not balanced or arranged in a octahedral structure around a group 16 element. Due to increase in size, there is no proper orientation will be fit around the central atom. So that's why only hexafluorides are more stable in nature, but other hexahalides are not stable due to increase in size of halogen as well as a central atom. So all the hexafluorides, they exist in a gaseous state and octahedral geometry, sp3d2 shape, sp3d2. Next we discuss about, this is a geometry of SF6. It's a octahedral shape due to presence of sp3d2 hybridization. Next we discuss tetrafluorides. SF4 is a gas, selenium tetrafluoride is liquid, tellurium tetrafluoride is solid. They all have distorted trigonal bipyramidal geometry because its hybridization is sp3d. Why its shape is distorted trigonal bipyramidal? Due to presence of lone pair, and has called seesaw geometry. We will discuss here. Sulfur tetrafluoride is seesaw geometry. ये साढ़े को trigonal planar है, ये साढ़े को दो perpendicular है. This bond angle is not 180 degree, it's 173 degree due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. So ये जड़ा bond angle है, that is almost equal to 173 degree. Clear? Next we discuss dihalide except selenium form a dichloride and dibromide with the tetrahedral shape due to presence of sp3 hybridization, but due to presence of two lone pair it's angular or a vent shape. It's angular or a vent shape. Next, the monohalides are dimeric in nature, like S2F2, S2Cl2, S2Br2, Cl2, Se2, Br2. So it's exist in a dimer state. They undergo disproportionation. When we heat a dimer of selenium chloride, it will dissociate into change into selenium tetrachloride and selenium atom. So next question, SF4 is easily hydrolyzed but SF6 not. Why? Due to presence of steric hindrance in case of SF6. क्योंकि सल्फर ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਇੱਥੇ 6 ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਐਟਮਸ ਨੇ, they give repulsion to a incoming water molecule towards itself. So ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ 6 ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਐਟਮ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਵਾਟਰ ਦੇ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੇਣਗੇ. ਬਟ ਇਨ ਕੇਸ ਆਫ SF6 ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਲੈਸ ਸਟੀਰਿਕ ਹਿੰਡਰੈਂਸ ਐਂਡ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਲਾਈਜ਼, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ 4 ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਲਾਈਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਬਟ SF6 ਡਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਲਾਈਜ਼. ਸੋ the question SF6 is known but SCl6 is does not known due to less difference in their size, and sulfur does not accommodate 6 chlorine atom around sulfur due to large size of less difference size between sulfur and chlorine atom. Clear? SF6 is known but OF6 does not due to non-availability of d orbital. Similarly in case of OF4, non-availability of d orbital. Clear? So if you have any doubt up to this, reactivity with the halogen, reactivity with oxygen and reactivity with hydrogen of group 16 element, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Clear? Thank you.